Go on this side, go on this side.
No, you go on that side. You're the one that wanted to go to this place. Yo, what's up, guys? We're in a sewer of sorts. I don't know what this is. I really don't want to step on that, though. How far is this tunnel?
You wanna go? No.
Yeah, let's go.
That might be shit. You see someone? People might come back. If your flashlight's stronger, so keep it there.
Yo, before we start recording, I called my dad, and there were some weird noises going on, and as soon as they heard us, they like stopped.
Hey, bro,
So,
look up. Look up.
oh my gosh, this is mad disgusting.
Look at the water.
Oh, the air is dead here.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Look on the ground.
What?
There. Is that
It's a Taco Bell wrapper.
Taco Bell?
What?
There might be people coming back.
What do you mean?
Like, people come in here, so they have to get in here somehow. So they come through this way.
Okay. We'll win.
Keep the flashlight up. Your camera here.
Oh, so are you?
Watch for snakes.
Oh yeah, there might be snakes here, guys. Oh, look, there's a spider.
Oh, that's a. You see that? What the hell is
You
that?
guys see that moving? Hold up.
What the hell
Where'd
is
it
that?
go?
Yo, I'm getting bit by something. Oh, there's two of them. Oh shit, it's going up the web.
Where?
Where the hell it go? Where the go? Oh, it just flew in my face. Oh well, we win.
Let's go.
Okay, sir. Look back. Right now, we're not in that far.
Okay, there's like multiple of them, by the way. There's like. Shit, I almost fell.
Keep the flashlight up.
Hold on, bro, I'm looking out. Yo, if
Bro, look at the
anyone,
little microorganisms, bro. What the?
if anybody knows what that is,
Comment, bro. What the?
yeah.
What the?
What is that, bro?
Yeah, that might be some mutated fish, bro.
Lucky we might have discovered a new type of insect.
Yeah. Okay, there's like multiple of them. That might jump on our leg. Hold on. Okay.
Make sure nothing's on me. Okay. Do we keep going?
Yeah. That's just the water pipes. I'm like 50% sure. Yo,
Are
see
you
that?
sure
Wait,
about that?
keep the light up there. I can't see.
Should we like scream as loud as we can and then skedaddle?
My flashlight died.
I kinda don't want to be in here anymore. We already got 3 minutes of footage. Do you think that's good enough?
Let's just go deeper. We can edit later. Come on, my flashlight just done.
Anything for the fame, I guess. Oh, there's like 5 of them right there. What is that?
Should we sit later? That's corny as hell. Keep the flashlight.
Yo, what type of microorganism?
Should we go all the way down there?
Yo, that's not water, that's a person. Nah, y'all hear
I'm
that,
being
right?
dead. Keep that flashlight up. What the hell? We might die.
Y'all hear that, right?
Okay, let's go deeper. That's what they want. Let's go.
Yeah, that's what you guys want.
What the hell?
I don't think these insects will leave
What
the
are
water.
they, bro? Those water mosquitoes.
If they leave
What
the
is
water,
that?
they die, I think. That's my grandpa. You almost touched the water.
I know where it was. I got it on me. I got it on me.
You might want to shower after that, bro.
That might be my grandpa.
Just stop.
I'm bad forward, bro. Okay, I'm just gonna leave this. Fuck.
Yo, I want to touch the wall of this, man.
Bro, you're scared. What's going on? Keep the flashlight up. I don't think the flashlight is on.
Maybe when your flashlight doesn't work.
It's like that.
Okay, just go in front of me if you're gonna walk like that, because I can't walk when
And
you're...
in front of you.
Yeah, I know, but you're like really slow.
Because game. Okay, show me how this was made.
I know it seems like we didn't go for it, but it's really hard to move.
Was that a metal pipe?
Okay, I'm gonna go like what you're
Wait,
doing.
keep the flashlight up so we can see. Keep the flashlight up.
It's kind of hard to do that with my phone and the flashlight.
Bro,
man.
look at this face, bro. The wall.
What is this Diddy Blood doing with the calculator?
Oh, we're not allowed to show that. We're not allowed to show that.
What is it? Oh, I'm gonna just edit that out of the video.
Can you please keep the light up?
I have to like zoom back in.
Okay, wanna go deeper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's go.
Keep the light up. My
Whose
legs.
metal rod is that, bro?
I just said that. Oh, we got flash. We've got 6 minutes of footage. Put the flashlight on.
Hold up, bro. I'm trying to like go without touching them.
How are you so bad at this?
My bad, I don't go in sewers for fun. Hold up, what is that? Oh, I thought I saw someone. Yo, guys, there might be people there. I don't think that's the water.
Do you like Bob? Like Bob?
Bob.
Do you want to go deeper?
Yeah,
Okay.
let's go. I got almost 7 minutes of footage. I got almost 7 minutes of footage.
I got 6. Can you keep the light up like the entire time?
It's hard.
Okay.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Can you hold this one?
No.
Trade off. I'm getting bored.
No. You want to hold the flashlight so bad, you hold both of them. Actually, no, I'll hold the flashlight. No, the other one. The one that's actually working.
Oh no, I can't pass it. I can't pass it.
Dude, it's creepy. Hurry up. Give me the flash.
We're in the tunnel.
Your voice scared me so bad.
Why is it so quiet?
Yeah, was it? But I think I saw someone move.
Say, keep the flashlight up.
But I want to make sure none of those water critters are under me. Guys, I think we should go back.
Nah, we win. Let's go.
I just realized, how do we turn around?
This. Just go like that.
Okay.
Okay. Put that over there. Do you see like that little thing sticking out there?
Fuck yeah. I mean, I almost fell.
Wait. Keep the flashlight up there.
Yo, I just want to shove in the
Keep
microorganisms
the
out
flashlight
here.
up there.
Look at all these
I
things
got
that
bit.
live in here.
I got bit. What the hell? Keep the flashlight up.
I gotta make sure I didn't get it.
Dude, Uncle, guys.
No more flash for us.
Word cuts. Yeah, we might be cuts. It says I have SOS only, bro.
Oh shit. You know we can still call the cops even if it's only SOS, right?
I stopped the video by accident.
Selling.
Because I'm trying to put the flash on because you don't care. I'll just edit that later. So no more flash? Let's go into the darkness. Okay, let's go. It is? Why are you so far back?
Did you hear that?
Okay, we'll just go up to that little thing over there and we'll come back.
Okay, my feet kind of hurt.
Same. Okay, let's go. Come on. Finish with
Okay, just go faster, faster, faster. We need to get out of here. You're walking through the water.
No, no. It's like this. Shh. Okay. Do you see that little log? Fuck. There's something on me, bro. Oh, no, it's the water critters, bro.
Yeah, that's why I'm checking to make sure the water critters aren't on me. Are we going back?
No. Backwards.
Yeah, if someone chases us.
Big, bro.
running right away. Let's go. Hey, go faster.
My bad.
Why are we running?
Because it's distracting.
Oh, there's a cobweb on me.
What's that? Wanna go to it? Let's show them how far we've been. We were pretty close, but now we're ready to sprint.
Yeah. 3, 2.
Oh, wait. Look how much water there is left.
Oh.
Now we win.
Let's just go a bit further and then let's get out of here. Because there's like snakes.
Put the flashlight. Do you see that thing in the water?
Yeah, oh, I just realized I've been recording you the whole entire time pretty much. Well, that's because you're in front of me, bro.
So, do you want my footage?
Yeah.
Get your own. It's from your own perspective.
Well, it's pretty much is your perspective. Because
Hey,
you're fat ass.
Shut up. You're just too
Yo, I saw someone move
No.
at the end of the hallway. Or tunnel.
Hallway.
Shut up, bro. Shut up.
Let's go.
I can't.
What the? Look at the metal pipe.
Okay, this is where we turn back.
No, we should go deeper.
I'm not trying to step in this water though.
Look at the sky, bro. You're so scared.
I'm not. I
Okay,
don't.
okay. You see that little metal pipe up there?
Okay. Drain all the water and I'll go like all the way to the end of the tunnel.
Drink all the water. Okay, wanna go deeper?
Alright.
Keep the light up. Oh my god, I'm doing the whole. I'm doing this place, bro. Shit. We win. Oh my god. I'm fried. Oh, I'm fried.
That is mad disgusting.
What are you doing?
Bro, the tunnel is getting smaller. The tunnel is getting smaller the farther we go.
Okay, are you gonna come or no?
No, I'm going back.
Okay, let's go. See, this guy's scared.
I'm not. I just don't want to step in this water.
You're
And also,
scared.
my feet are hurting now.
Me too. Oh, where's someone? Where's someone? Oh my god. Parkour! Parkour!
How do I like turn around? How do I
My
turn?
leg's cramping.
Don't push it. Help. The hell?
What do you need help with?
I can't turn around.
Watch me. Watch, look.
I'm too fat for that, bro. Even though I'm skinnier than you.
Move your other leg. No, dumbass.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Bro, my feet hurt so bad. That was like an exercise. Oh, guys.
Oh, by the way, this idiot didn't even bring a flashlight or anything.
I did.
And when he did, it was dead.
Yeah. This is, those two, both are my flashlights.
Yes. Nah, you're lying.
I'm slipping. Okay, this isn't that bad compared over there.
Oh yeah, for sure, bro. I thought this was bad.
Oh!
Ew, bro.
It's in my foot.
Uh,
Do you really want me to throw this dirty water in your face, dude?
you wouldn't, cause you're a good friend.
Yeah.
Bro, my feet hurt. Hurry up.
Dude, I'm taking a break.
Oh, there's a boat just on the floor there.
And we're done, guys. We're done. We're out of here. If we reach, how many views for part 2, dude? How many views for part 2?
If we get 50 subscribers.
50 subscribers on both channels.
Yeah.
Okay,
Then-
tell the channel.
Well, y'all already know my channel if y'all are watching from it. And his is literally the same thing, but instead of double in swag, it's triple in swag.
Yeah. Maybe we're gonna make a combined channel later.
Yeah, we'll just post all that. One last look in the tunnel before we leave.
Yes, look how far we went. We went at least maybe
We went like 100 feet.
50, 75
Oh shit,
feet.
there's stuff on my socks.
Yeah, same. Oh, yo, it got more in you than me. Because you have Crocs.
Well, yeah, no shit, bro.
Okay. So, we'll see you later, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.